So let's break down our weather alert here. We have a weather alert for both today and tomorrow. First is for the snow today, and then it's the Arctic air tomorrow. The snow today heavy in spots, and as the snow comes to an end near and after sunset, depending on your location, it turns windy, it turns cold. We're looking at wind chill factors as low as 25 below in the coldest spots tomorrow morning. We are generally in the mid to upper 20s this morning, widespread snowfall, and while for most of us it is light, you can clearly see these two areas where we have some darker colors indicating some enhanced snowfall that's setting up. One area right over the North Shore where we have a wind off of the water, and so this is a moderate to heavy snowfall that's extending through much of the North Shore. You can see it's moving right through the Topsfield area at this moment. We also have another zone that we're watching. It's this convergence zone that's trying to develop over Rhode Island. We're seeing signs of that with a wind off the water initially, but that will likely merge with an Arctic front that's moving in from the west. So with that Arctic front moving in from the west and this zone that's already in place over Rhode Island, we're likely going to see more in the way of enhanced snowfall setting up over much of Rhode Island and even into portions of southern Worcester County. You can see how the winds shift and sort of converge in this area. That's a big sign of a convergence zone that we're looking at in terms of enhanced snowfall. So this is 9 o'clock this morning. We still have that enhanced area over the North Shore. Elsewhere, I would expect a moderate snowfall that plows should be able to keep up with. So if you do have to travel, shouldn't be terrible for travel in most locations. However, you have to watch these two zones where the snow could fall at a rate closer to an inch per hour. We're still looking at that around midday. I would say even through about 3 o'clock this afternoon. Thereafter, it starts to dwindle, but we are looking at its snowfall lingering over Cape Cod and the islands, even at the 6 o'clock hour. So it's really not until about midnight that the snow exits outer portions of Cape Cod and the islands. Generally 3 to 5 inches, less as you move westward, but we're talking Worcester County and as you travel toward Boston. So most of eastern Massachusetts and even central Massachusetts. Let's zoom in on our jackpot zones. 5 to 7 inches as you move through much of the North Shore, especially interior portions of the North Shore, and then that next zone through much of Rhode Island, touching portions of Massachusetts too as you travel south and westward to 495. So as you move down along 95 into places like Attleboro and even moving out toward places like Rehoboth. 12-hour forecast showing snow in Boston through about 3. Then it's all about the wind. Wind gust approaching 40 miles per hour by 8 o'clock this evening, and that sticks around overnight into tomorrow morning. We're looking at a drop in temperatures to near 0, if not below that. And so you throw in that kind of wind, and that is how we get into this extreme wind chill factor. We have a Storm Team 5 weather alert for tomorrow for the extreme cold. Dangerous wind chills, 15 below is what it will feel like in Boston at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Could feel like it's close to 24 below in cold spots like Orange. It will be dry and sunny tomorrow, but that cold, it will be strong. We're looking at a dry start to our work week and getting a little bit closer to the 30s, which, Rondella, would be the first time we get a little closer to average as we move toward the later half of the week.